Welcome once again to Domenia. In this video, I'll show an example of how to transform a list of records. We have a text file here that shows the sales of various companies. For each entry, we have the company name, the date, and an amount. These lines are repeated across different records. We have quite a few records here, and we're going to use Power Query to make some transformations that will let us convert this file into an Excel table, where we can perform operations in a simpler way. So, let's get started. Here, I have a folder containing the text file. As we can see, each entry has 3 lines per record. We're going to transform it. The first step is to select this file and copy its path. Now, I have a blank Excel file open. What we're going to do is create a new query. In this case, we'll select from text. We paste the file path. We can see what's in the file. We'll click on Edit to open the query editor. The first thing we're going to do for this transformation is to add an index column. In the Add Column section, we'll insert an index column. It is important that we start this index from 0. The next step is to add another column. Using an integer division function. This function will use the index number. And when divided by 4, it returns the integer quotient without any remainder. If I used a regular division, we'd see decimals, but here we only get whole numbers, which is what we need. This extra column will be helpful later. Now, let's transform this column by applying the modulus function. Using the second record, the modulus function returns the remainder of each index divided by 4. In this case, we have remainders from 0 to 3. In the Transform section, we'll use the Pivot button. We'll choose the values from column 1 to keep, and select Advanced Options to handle duplicates. Now we have a table where each line contains the repeated records for each sale. Now we can clean up. Let's remove a couple of columns. I'll delete this column here. Then, we can assign appropriate names to each column. And I'll also remove this other column. Remember to also select the correct data type. For this column, we want it to be a date. For this column, we'll select currency. Now, we can load the data into a table. If we want to adjust the format a little more, we can do that here. And that's how we've gone from a text file to a clean, structured table. Remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos. I'll be looking forward to reading your comments and suggestions. This is Domenia. I hope you liked this video. See you next time.